It's sad. I wish, it didn't happen, but there's nothing we can do. It's Mother Nature. We made it like one block, and it was just water, and I felt my car was like I was pulling, so I got scared.
Flights keep getting canceled. I was hoping to leave today. Looks like I won't be leaving until Wednesday.
So much work and trying to get everyone to come down.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.